The Tesla Model Y has both a main high-voltage battery and a standard 12-volt auxiliary battery. This 12-volt battery powers accessories like lights, sensors, and the infotainment system, especially when the main battery is depleted. Despite being low voltage, safety is paramount due to the proximity of high-voltage components. The 12-volt battery in the Tesla Model Y is located in the frunk, which is the front trunk area. It's positioned beneath a removable plastic cover near the license plate area. To access the 12-volt battery, first open the frunk by pulling the handle or using the key fob. Next, if there's a license plate attached to the frunk, remove it by unscrewing the mounting bolts. Then, unscrew the plastic cover that protects the battery area. This typically requires removing 4 to 6 bolts around the perimeter. Finally, you may need to lift a floor panel or mat in the frunk to fully reveal the battery tray underneath. Working with the 12 volts battery area requires strict safety measures. Always wear insulated gloves and eye protection. Ideally, disconnect the main battery using the vehicle's service mode to de-energize high-voltage components. Use dielectric tools to prevent shorts, and never use open flames nearby due to potential hydrogen gas release. Begin by parking the Model Y on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake to ensure stability during the process. Next, access the Tesla app on your phone or use the vehicle's touchscreen to enable service mode, which de-energizes high-voltage systems for safety. Locate and unbolt the battery hold-down clamp using appropriate tools to secure the battery in place. Using a wrench, first disconnect the negative terminal, marked with a black cable, then the positive terminal with the red cable. This order prevents electrical shorts. Now, carefully lift the battery out of the tray. The 12-volt battery weighs approximately 20 to 30 pounds, so use both hands and proper lifting technique to avoid strain. Once removed, inspect both the battery and the tray for any signs of corrosion or damage. Look closely at terminals and connections. Finally, dispose of the old battery at a certified recycling center. Lead-acid batteries contain hazardous materials and must be recycled properly to protect the environment. Begin reinstallation by carefully lowering the 12-volt battery back into its tray in the frunk. Connect the positive terminal first by attaching the red cable securely. Use a wrench if needed to tighten the connection. Next, connect the negative terminal by attaching the black cable and tightening it securely. Place the hold-down clamp over the battery and secure it with the bolts. Follow the tightening sequence shown to ensure even pressure. Replace the floor mat, secure the plastic cover with its bolts, and close the frunk. Ensure all fasteners are tight. After reinstallation, test the system by starting the vehicle using the Start button. Check the vehicle's touchscreen or dashboard for any error codes or warning lights. Look for battery-related indicators. If you see any error codes or the vehicle doesn't start properly, stop and consult a Tesla-certified professional for diagnosis. Extreme climates can significantly reduce the lifespan of the 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model Y. Both scorching desert heat and freezing winter temperatures accelerate chemical reactions inside the battery, leading to a 15 to 20% annual failure rate according to Tesla service data. While replacing the 12-volt battery is possible as a do-it-yourself project for those with mechanical experience, Tesla strongly advises professional servicing to avoid voiding your warranty or accidentally damaging other vehicle systems. Professional technicians have the proper tools and training to ensure safe removal and installation. Tesla's 2025 software update, version 2025.2.1, introduces enhanced diagnostics for the 12-volt battery directly on your vehicle's touchscreen. You can now monitor voltage levels, receive low-charge alerts, and access detailed battery health information without needing to physically access the battery. This makes it easier to detect issues early and schedule maintenance. The automotive industry is shifting toward 12-volt lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles, offering significant advantages over traditional lead-acid units. Lithium-ion batteries provide 2 to 3 times longer lifespan, reducing failure rates from 15 to 20% to under 5% annually. They also excel in cold weather and offer faster charging capabilities. Tesla is already piloting lithium-ion 12-volt batteries in select Cybertruck units, with rollout to Model Y expected by 2026-2027. This transition could reduce maintenance needs and improve overall vehicle reliability, potentially eliminating the need for manual battery access in the future. By 2030, industry forecasts predict that 70% of new electric vehicles may adopt 12-volt lithium-ion systems, driven by improved energy efficiency and lower costs.